Hey APA students, here are some must-know economic ideas for period 6. First is laissez-faire. This French term means allow to do, and when applied to economics, it essentially meant that the government was going to leave the economy alone and let the private market work itself out. On your test, you'll see this term with the development of Gilded Age big business. The lack of government regulation or interference meant that these business leaders could build massive industrial empires with their genius and innovation, but also use some shady and unethical practices to make it happen. Second is trust and monopolies. A trust is created when one company takes over the stock of another, and trust often led to the creation of monopolies where one corporation controlled an entire industry or market, allowing them to control the prices. On test day, be ready to explain how this was an effect of those laissez-faire practices. And if you're asked about effects of the monopolies, well, this is how the rich got richer, increasing that wealth gap between the haves and the have-nots. And third is horizontal and vertical integration. Horizontal integration is acquiring or merging with competitors in the same line of business. So on your test, look for answers with John D. Rockefeller and Standard Oil. He perfected the merger process to dominate the oil industry. And vertical integration is when one company buys out the different stages of the production process. This allows them to control the steps that makes raw materials into finished goods. On your test, you'll want to look for the answers with Andrew Carnegie and his U.S. Steel Company. And an easy way to remember that Carnegie's vertical is that he implemented the new Bessemer process, which helped him produce steel stronger and more efficiently. So remember, the skill these business leaders had in implementing horizontal and vertical integration is how they were able to build those monopolies. So it's all connected. And College Board loves asking about Gilded Age economics, especially in the short answer and the long essay. So be ready to write about this topic. And as always, for more APUSH help, make sure you grab your ultimate review packet.